Good evening, everyone. This is Karine of DVSPH Academy. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please click subscribe, click the notification bell para magkaroon kayo ng update sa aming mga free trainings. Paki-like and share na rin ang video na ito para naman mas maraming makapanood at makarating ito sa mga maraming aspiring VA and freelancer. You can also join in our Facebook group, Work From Home Professional Philippines. Okay, magsimula na tayo. I'm gonna share my screen. Lesson 9, how to become a living client magnet. Napakabangis ng title, no? Living client magnet. Ang alam ko lang magnet yung ilalaro, di ba? Pero sa video na ito, matututunan mo kung paano ka magiging habulin ng mga client. Hindi ka man hinabol ng ex mo, at least yung mga upcoming clients mo, hahabulin ka. Okay? So, one of the toughest things about freelancing and virtual assistant job is getting a client. Whether you're just starting this business or this job, or you're just looking to grow your existing client base job. Parang ganito yun. Most of the VA or some of the VAs and freelancer are wasting or spending their time finding clients. And of course, time is money. Maraming nasasayang na chance para kumita sa paghanap ng client. So in this lesson, bukod sa pag-aabang natin sa Upwork at onlinejobs.ph, I'm gonna share to you some of the technique or ways that you can apply para ka lamang gumagamit ng cellphone, pero in a productive way. Right? So let's start. There are other easier ways to get clients. And instead of you searching for them, they will come to you. Sila mismo ang lalapit. Yung moment na hindi mo na kayang mag-handle pa ng projects. Diba? Kasi, nagugulat ka na lang, isang araw or sa isang linggo, 3 prospect client ang lumalapit sa'yo. Minsan 5, 6, 7. Okay? At nag-decide ka na lang, i-refer mo na lang sa iba or magtayo ka ng outsource agency mo. Okay. Number 1, word of mouth. It's not what you know, but and when you do good work for others, you're bound to get recommended. That's why one of the things that I always mention to my VAs, yung ibigay niyo yung best nyo, yung attitude natin sa trabaho, kailangan maganda. At okay nang maging over-delivered kaysa under-delivered yung task mo. Kasi nakikita ni client na nag-effort ka and you really value their business. Kapag ganon ang ating mentality, Brian, daming pinagagawa ni client, nakakainis, nakakapagod, ayoko na, resign ako. Ganun. Yung iba gusto mag-trabaho, pero ikaw nandiyan yung trabaho, resign ka pa. If the client knows that you're doing it, siya mismo magre-recommend sa mga friends niya. Halimbawa, nag-decide na si client, wala na akong pero refer kita sa kaibigan ko. Pwedeng mangyari yun. And it also happened to me, may client ako, until now, he's my client. Sa business ko naman to, applicable. Nagre-refer siya ng mga friends niya at mga students niya kasi real estate coach siya na kumuha ng VA sa agency namin. Since we provided good service to him para magkaroon siya mag-grow yung business niya. And I also mentioned to my VAs na kailangan ibigay natin yung best natin kasi it will open more job opportunities sa ating mga kababayan. And they do it. And because of their good attitude, nag-open ito ng maraming job opportunities. At sa mga susunod pang months, ay marami pa kami magiging client because my VAs are really good. They are my asset. Okay? Next. To have a clear, up-to-date portfolio and market it. So make sure that you spend your time updating your portfolio. Hindi yung, huwag niyo akong tutularan, yung portfolio ko napaka-outdated na kasi hindi ko naman na siya ginagamit. Pero yung ano mo, yung aim mo is to gain more clients as an individual freelancer or a VA, can update your portfolio. Put the sample work on social media management or graphic design ka. Get testimonials from previous client. Yan, kaya nga na-mention ko kanina, you have to show your good attitude to your client kasi pag hininga mo sila ng testimony, hindi mahirap. Kasi the more good testimonies that you have, the more chances na yung client, pag nakita niya yung portfolio mo, hire ka niya. Okay? And make sure that your contact info or information is easy to locate. Pag inopen yung portfolio mo, nandoon na yung contact info mo. Okay? Aside from that, if you have a great portfolio, you have to promote. You can post it on social media pages or social media account na meron ka. Or you can send it kapag nag-apply ka sa Upwork or onlinejobs.ph. Yung kahit yung link lang. Para once na-click yung client yun, makikita niyo yung portfolio mo. Okay? Number 3, write blog or create content. And number 4, write or create for others naman. So, combine ko na lang yung explanation ko dito. For blog, you can have your own website. Mura lang naman yung hosting. Siguro hindi ka naman mag-spend ng more than 1,000 a month. Pag may pagmamahal ka sa writing, you can do it. Write a blog connected to your target client and target industries, and you can market it in different groups. For example, yung industry mo ay e-commerce, you can write blog about e-commerce, and you can share it in different e-commerce group. And once they found out na you are a VA na for e-commerce, sila mismo magsisik ng service mo. Paano po kung wala akong blog o wala akong website? You can ask someone na may website. Pwede kayong makipag-collaborate sa kanya. Okay? Then regarding this one, you can create social media posts dun sa may mga social media pages. Or ikaw mismo, you can create your own social media pages and i-post mo doon yung sarili mong mga artwork or yung mga graphics na ginawa mo para ma-showcase mo yun sa client mo. Okay? So, diba, nagkaroon ka ng Facebook page, di ba? Or doon sa mismong account mo, pinopost mo lahat ng works mo. Kapag mismo i-add mo lahat ng mga potential clients mo, i-invite mo sila i-like yung page mo, and once they saw your post or see your post, sila mismo, i-message ka, hey, I need a graphic designer. Can you work with me? Hey, I need a social media manager. Are you still available? Ganun yung mga message sa'yo. Okay? So, 1 to 2 hours per day or 2 to 3 times a week lang. Pagtsagaan natin, kaysa naman lagi tayong nagkik-drama marathon, di ba? At least to, naging productive na tayo, mas malaki pa yung chance na lapitan tayo ng client. Di ba? Number 5, keep your LinkedIn up to date. I-update mo lahat ng mga info mo sa LinkedIn. Actually, naranasan ko to nung VA pa ako. May nagme-message sa akin na client, hey, are you a virtual assistant? I need your service for this kind of, for cold calling or social media. And actually, one of my client na dati pa, ni-message niya lang ako out of the blue sa LinkedIn. Kasi in-add ko siya. Then, nag-hi lang ako. Then, after that, wala na kami naging communication. Then, suddenly, she messaged me and she's looking for a social media manager. Aside from that, may mga recruiters, yung mga company ng parang mga agency ata yun. Pini-PM ako na, we need recruitment specialist. At that time, hindi ko na rin kaya mag-handle pa daw. Gawa nang nakafocus na ako sa agency ko. So, pwede rin naman to prospecting your target client. Just send a message, connect to them, then try din mag-message. Huwag naman agad na, hey, I'm providing this service, blah, 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 blah. Huwag agad mag-offer ng service. Kasi you are building connection muna. Okay? So, once na nag-respond sila, saka mo lang i-promote yung service mo. Alright? Number 6, keep other industry-relevant social media account up to date. So, connected to sa Facebook. Hold on. Ito, sa number 9, dito tayo muna sa ano. Okay. Make sure na na-updated yung mga social media account nyo, Facebook, link, Instagram, and you can connect to your target client, just adding them or follow them. Okay? And you may also connect with other VAs then, or freelancer na same ng niche mo and industry, kasi sila rin mismo matutulungan ka. So network in person, you can do it, pero right now sa pandemic, hindi siya ganong applicable. Pero may mga freelancing and VA group na talagang nagmi-meet up sila. May mga nabasa akong, pero dahil nga sa pandemic, hindi nila magawa yun. So they normally do it virtually via webinar, via Zoom, kamustahan. So yun. You may also speak in an event or conference or webinar. And then, let's see. Go back here. So, actually, nag-guest ako sa isang YouTube video ng client ko, and he's promoting virtual assistant. Nag-guest ako doon, siguro mga 30 minutes lang ako nag-stay doon. Tapos, kuda-kuda lang sandali. And then, I said that we're offering VA services. This is the thing that we're providing. Then, siguro after a week ng video na, after that video pala, actually, hindi pa nga tapos yung video. May mga nag-ano na sa akin, may mga nag-text na kasi nag-text na. Basta may nag-connect na sa akin kasi pinrovide yung contact details ko. Na, I watch your video on YouTube, ganyan. I want to get a VA. Diba? And then, yun, actually until now, sabi niya may mga client na nag-ano sa akin. Napanood ko yung video niya sa gusto ko kumuha ng VA. Yan. Diba? Kumuda lang ako nung wala pang 30 minutes. Lumalapit yung mga clients sa akin. So, hindi ko na kailangan hardcore marketing. Pero syempre, aside from that, so as a personally sa business ko, meron pa rin naman ako mga marketing strategy na ginagamit. Okay? So, next. Network online. Ito, makapangyarihan to. Join to relevant Facebook group. Mag-join ka sa mga VA and freelancing group kasi maraming nagpo-post doon ng mga trabaho. May mga client din na nagpo-post ng trabaho. You can also join in LinkedIn groups and other social media platforms. I-share ko lang yung first client ko na yung nagbayad na client kasi yung first client ko una talaga hindi nagbayad, scam ako. Yung first paying client ko sa Facebook group ko nakita. Actually, hindi lang sila isa, dalawa. Yung isa lang muna yung kwento ko. Yung isa, nag-post siya sa isang, I think, something to do with Philippine Virtual Assistant, I forgot the specific name of the group. Nag-post siya doon, and based sa post niya, he's looking for cold calling specialists. At that time, parang 3 days ago na yung post niya noon. Walang nagla-like, sabi ko, try ko nga, nilike ko, then sabi ko, I sent a PM, piniem ko siya. Yun, kinabukasan, in-interview niya ako. Not kinabukasan. Parang after, ilang days, kala ko nga wala lang yun eh. Minessage niya ako, hey, are you still available? Sabi ko, sige, yes, I am. Then, on that day rin, kami, Zoom meeting. Then after na-hire na ako, actually, hanggang ngayon, client ko pa rin siya, pero in-outsource ko na, gawa nga ng, nag-focus na ako sa agency ko. Then yung may other client, alos magkasabayan sila, nag-join lang ako sa isang Facebook group, then lang ako doon, nag-comment na I'm also a virtual assistant, I can do this. Tapos nag-message siya sa akin na kailangan yung service ko. Okay? Medyo lang, ingat lang tayo especially sa Facebook, wag tayong masyadong gigil sa pag-market kasi dito na deactivate yung account ko. May mga pasaway na talaga nagre-report pag nag-i-spam ka dun sa So I don't really recommend na. Kasi dati hindi pa ganong mahigpit si Facebook. Pero ngayon kasi mahigpit na. So just send them a PM instead of spamming on a certain post. Okay? So number 10, position yourself as an expert. Pero paano po yung baguhan pa lang po ako how I'm gonna position myself as an expert? So like, kung napanood mo yung video ko last time, if you believe that you're an expert, you are. If you don't believe that you're an expert, ikaw yun. Kung anong pinaniniwalaan mo, hindi yung fake it until you make it. So, sa social media account mo or sa portfolio mo, you have to position yourself that you're an expert, that you can do this kind of stuff. You may also mentor newbies. So, like what I did na may mga nag-PM sa akin na, Miss Curry, paano po ba ito? Paano po? Anong gagawin ko? I don't ask any amount for mentoring. Just a simple message. Nag-spend ako ng ilang minuto to answer your question. Ganon. So, halimbawa, tong si newbies na to, may client. Then, alam ni newbie na may nagpo-provide ka ng service na yun. Siya mismo magre-refer sa client, hey, client, itong mentor ko, kaya itong gawin. I-hire mo siya. Okay? Mga ganun lang, di ba? Create an online course. Actually, hindi lahat capable or hilig, di ba? Mag-create ng online course. I don't say na huwag kayong mag-create. Of course, nasa inyo yun. Depende sa inyo yung tip nyo. Pero mentoring is very, helpful na yan, di ba? Create an online course may take time. Pero kung gusto mo talaga ng pangmadalian, kahit mag-mentor ka lang, and just create freebies na lang, video files na pwede mong i-share sa mga baguhang VA. So like what I'm doing, I just post free videos, free tips on how to start, to get more clients, how to get the job, what are the things you can do. Actually, I really want to create more videos. So I really need your help to like and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel, Divas PH Academy. And you may also join to our Facebook group, Work from Home Professional Philippines. I'm not really asking for, any monetary support. Yun lang, napakasimple lang kasi alam ko maganda tong aming agenda. Gusto ko lang yung support nyo rin na maibahagi ito sa iba. Okay? Thank you so much po sa panonood ng aming video. Once again, this is Corinne of Divas PH Academy. Have a good night.